Hello, my name is David Morgan. I'm a puppetry enthusiast and a hobby builder of puppets, and I also studied a diploma of dental technology, and I felt that there were aspects of what I studied which might be useful for puppet builders. One of those things is the skill of bending spring steel wire, and here we have a selection of tools specific to dentistry or dental technology, which I'm going to give you a little sort of rough rundown what the tools do, and also a wire we'll be bending, which is I believe a stainless steel spring hard wire from 0.90, 0.8, 0.7 to 0.68. This wire on the end was bought on eBay, I believe from China, very cheaply. The other wire is bought from a dental supply company, and I just wanted to demonstrate that there are different diameter wire, and that's important because your tools often come with a rating. See, on these pliers they are rated at 0.8, so that's the maximum rating those pliers can bend. Now I'll just give an example of how to cut the wire. Hold it between your fingers like this, and preferably you would cut the wire, you would take it under the table, and I would recommend wearing safety glasses because this wire is very sharp, and you make the cut like that, and you're holding on to either piece of wire that way. So as you can see here, I've created a little tag so I can easily hold the wire. I'm just using a set of Adams pliers, have a triangular type beak. They are fantastic for creating 90-degree bends, as you can see. Here is an example of a eyelid mechanism that I made from a 0.7 wire using a cheap pair of Adams pliers that can be bought on eBay from a company called Medentra. The idea is that you have a lever manipulating an eyelid blink, and I felt this might be useful because you might have a very fine fabric or a molded latex eyelid that could fit very snugly and be glued onto this wire. Here we have a 3-point plier, the two upper jaws and the lower jaw, and these are fantastic for making little micro bends or very incremental bends in wire. We have a 0.5 orthodontic wire. This wire is very thin and easy to manipulate, and I'm just going to demonstrate this crimping tool. You can see it's got a molded crimp, and I chose the 0.5 because it won't damage this particular tool to use a smaller gauge. And here's one I did earlier with the crimping tool, perhaps an alien antenna. So here I just wanted to demonstrate the type of precision you can actually achieve from orthodontic dental pliers, and it's a miniature spring. Okay, so here we have one of my shadow puppets of a pirate ship, and I have made a crude spring out of orthodontic spring steel, and here it is in motion. That wraps up my little demonstration on wire bending, and just keep in mind the little safety tips I taught you regarding bending wire, and always wear a pair of safety glasses. Bye for now. Forgot to mention, it's up to you guys to experiment. There's no rules, just play.